I'm Oliver Jeffers, and I'm an artist.
I'm Stephen Smart. I'm an astrophysicist.
We've probably all looked up at the sky at some point and wondered, what's up there? There's airplanes and satellites and all the helium balloons that we've let go of over the years, and also that big shiny thing that you see during the day whenever it's not raining. But what is that? Because, here in Northern Ireland, we don't see it very often.
Well, that giant yellow ball in the sky is our sun. It's the largest and most important object in our solar system. Everything else in our solar system orbits around it. Without the sun, there is no solar system. And closest to the sun, we have the 4 rocky planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And they're all made of...
rocks.
That's right. And also metals. They have solid surfaces, you could walk on them, but for at least 3 of them, you wouldn't want to because of quite an unpleasant atmosphere.
I know what that's like.
Next we have the gas and ice giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They're much bigger than the rocky planets. They've got a solid core surrounded by a dense, thick gas atmosphere, and you couldn't walk on them.
But could you, float on them in space boats?
No. Most of the planets have moons. Jupiter and Saturn have over 50 confirmed moons each, but Venus and Mercury, for example, don't have any.
Is there other stuff up there?
Yes, we've got comets and asteroids whizzing around the solar system all the time. Scientists discover more than 200 comets and asteroids every month with telescopes around the world in very dark sites.
Do they ever hit Earth?
Well, the big ones, for example, the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, hardly ever, once every few 10 million years. The small ones, though, they hit Earth all the time.
Well, how small are the small ones?
Well, meteors are just small asteroids. They're about the size of a pea, and they hit the Earth every day.
Well, how big are asteroids then?
Asteroids can be up to 500 kilometers in size. That's the biggest one. That's the size of the British Isles.
Whoa. Well, okay, one last question. What is the difference between an asteroid and a comet?
Well, a comet is a ball of ice with dirt and rock in there, and an asteroid is mostly rock and dirt with ice on the top.
Okay, so there is lots and lots and lots of stuff up there, but even so, it's still pretty empty, right?
Yes, most of space is vacuum. There's nothing in it.
I did hear that you could fit all of the planets in our solar system into the gap between the Earth and the Moon. Is that true?
Yes, and the asteroids and the comets, all of them, with room to spare. Can you name all the planets?
Yeah. Well, there's Earth, and the Moon.
Well, the Moon's not a planet.
Oh.
The Moon orbits the Earth, but all the planets in our solar system, they orbit the Sun. But here's a rhyme to help you. My very excellent mother just served us nachos.
Ah, right. Okay, so that gives us Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Perfect.
So that's how you got your professorship in astrophysics?
Yeah, very easy.